Hi guys, if you're annoyed by the auto suggestions while coding in PyCharm, this tutorial video will show you how to quickly disable them. First step, click on the 4 lines in the top left corner, then move your mouse cursor to the File tab and open the Settings page. First, expand the Editor tab. Then expand the General tab and click Code Completion. First, uncheck the Show Suggestions as you type box. Next, uncheck the Sort Completion Suggestions based on Machine Learning box. Finally, uncheck the Suggest Importable Classes, Functions and Variables in Basic Completion box. Next step, click the Inline Completion tab. Finally, uncheck the Enable Local Full Line Completion Suggestions box. Then click the Apply button, then the OK button. You will no longer see suggestions while coding. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to disable auto-suggestion in PyCharm was helpful. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.